Welcome to the best picks. The best Mochi Kit is probably one of the most engaging and interactive ways to introduce robotics, programming, and engineering concepts to learners of all ages. This video will cover everything you need to know about this amazing robotics kit, from its ease of use to its educational value, and help you decide if it's the right choice for you or your children. Number 5. Science4you Scorpiobot. It's time to unleash your inner engineer. With 161 pieces, you can build your very own Scorpiobot robot. Get ready for hours of fun and learning. This isn't just any robot kit, it comes with 161 pieces and building bricks. Plus, there's an instruction manual to guide you through the building process. Once it's built, get ready to watch your creation come to life. It moves backward and forward using a small built-in engine, just add AA batteries. It's more than just a toy, it's an educational experience. This STEM-inspired kit is perfect for kids who love science and robotics. Looking for a unique and engaging gift? This robot kit is perfect for birthdays or holidays. It's a gift that keeps on giving, sparking creativity and learning. What we like. It boasts 161 pieces to build a moving robot, making it a great STEM toy. If you are looking for a hands-on building experience that sparks your child's interest in robotics, this is a great option. It's perfect for kids who enjoy assembling and watching their creation come to life. What people say. He loves playing with it. Très chouette de le voir avancer un fois monté. Design bien sympa. For a 10-year-old it took an hour with the help of a grown-up to assemble it. Number 4. Makeblock mBot. It's an educational robot toy designed for kids to learn electronics, robotics, and programming in a fun way. It's perfect for learning programming step by step. This building kit is easy to assemble in just 15 minutes. Kids can learn about electronics and robotics while building it and then play with its many functions like line following and obstacle avoidance. It comes with coding cards and lessons, making it easy for children to use all its functions and create their own projects. 3 free Makeblock apps and mBot software add to the fun. It's a perfect gift for kids interested in STEM. It's well packaged and made of metal, making it a durable and engaging learning toy. It has an open source system, so it's compatible with many add-on packs. It can be connected to lots of electronic modules and parts, even Lego bricks. What we like. It's easy to build and teaches coding through interactive software. If you want a fun and accessible way to introduce your child to coding and robotics, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for kids who are curious about technology and want to learn programming in a playful way. What people say. It's designed to be tough and has capability that is only limited to the kids' and parents' imagination. It is an absolutely fantastic toy for my 8-year son. He likes it so much. I especially loves that you can program in both Scratch like GUI and actual coding. The logic board is actually a custom Uno board that can anything you can dream of. We use the micro version to make an Apple I computer, complete with 6502 instruction set. If you wanted, you could literally do that with the mBot. Its real advantage is making robot animals, pet cats, dogs, scorpions, complete with AI. You can connect a color TFT display, 2.4-inch J and animate the faces and eyes of creatures, do art, write messages, or even do a light show. Number 3. ELEGOO Uno R3 Robot Car. Get ready to explore the exciting world of robotics. This kit has everything you need to build your own smart car. It's packed with 24 different modules, including obstacle avoidance, line tracing, and even infrared remote control. You can even control it with your phone or tablet. Building it is a breeze. The improved design makes connecting all the parts simple and reduces the risk of mistakes. We've included high-definition instructions and all the necessary code to guide you through the process. It's easy to follow, even for beginners. It's the perfect way to learn about programming, electronics, and robotics. It's a complete learning experience in one kit. This isn't just a toy, it's a journey into STEM learning. It's a great gift for curious minds of all ages, perfect for sparking a passion for technology. What we like. This smart robot car kit offers a complete package for learning coding and robotics. If your child is interested in electronics and programming, this kit provides a comprehensive learning experience. It's suitable for kids who enjoy hands-on projects and want to explore the world of robotics. What people say. It's a great value, and it's also a perfect gift for kids who like to understand how things work. Our grandson especially gets a kick out of being able to see what the robot car sees with its camera as he's maneuvering it around the house. The smart car has features like ultrasonic rangefinder for collision avoidance and semi-autonomous navigation, optical sensors for line-following navigation, Bluetooth connection for remote control operation, and an infrared remote control. All these modes of operations work flawlessly except the IR sensor. You can also create your own DIY control remote app, which I like it so much that you have the freedom to program the remote control that suits your need. The base top plates are sturdy, even though they are plastic. Instructions are clear enough to understand and assemble. The Uno comes pre-programmed. So once you assemble it, you can start using it like a toy. App control is seamless. All default functions work well. Number 2. Botley Coding Robot. Meet Botley, the coding robot designed to make learning fun and engaging for your child. It's a screen-free way to introduce them to the exciting world of STEM. Botley is ready to play right out of the box. Just add batteries, and it's time for your child to start coding and having fun with creative challenges. It's completely screen-free coding. The easy-to-use remote programmer sends commands, making coding simple and accessible for young learners. He's more than just a toy. It can detect objects, follow commands, and even navigate obstacle courses. There are even hidden features to discover. With 77 pieces including coding cards, tiles, and building pieces, it offers endless possibilities for creative coding adventures. Get ready for hours of fun and learning. What we like. It offers screen-free coding, fostering early STEM skills through play. If you're looking for a fun and engaging way to introduce your child to coding without screen time, this is a perfect choice. It's ideal for younger children who are ready to learn basic coding concepts. What people say. The set includes such a nice variety of pieces. You can use the 12 cubes and 8 rods to construct a maze that Botley can then be programmed to run through. The cubes can also be stacked to construct a small wall that Botley can then be programmed to run into and knock down with his attachable arms. The black line feature is so fun. My 5-year-old loved watching Botley go across the line and just know where to go. You can create mazes and goals for Botley to go through with the included poles, cubes, and balls. My son enjoyed cheering for Botley to make a goal. It even prompted our son to ask higher-level questions, such as, I wonder if I move this over here, what will Botley do? Number 1. Sphero SPRK+. It's not just a toy, it's a programmable robot ball designed to spark creativity and curiosity through coding and play. Learn programming, complete activities, and share your creations. It has programmable sensors like a gyroscope, accelerometer, and LED lights. These create countless play experiences and coding possibilities for all skill levels. Program it using the Sphero Edu app with JavaScript or use the Sphero Play app to drive and play games. It's easy and fun for everyone. It's durable, waterproof, and charges inductively. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can see your commands and creations come to life. It's ready for an hour of fun. We've been redefining creative play since 2010. It's part of a fleet of programmable robots and educational tools inspiring a new generation through hands-on learning. What we like. It's a programmable robot ball with sensors and LED lights, controlled via an app. If you are looking for a more advanced coding experience with lots of creative possibilities, this is the one for you. It's perfect for kids who enjoy experimenting with technology and want to create their own interactive projects. What people say. On the basic, starting level, you have a bunch of ways to control it. Standard forward, back, right, left, but there are different ways. Even in the basic control section, there is a block programming mode. In addition to the control modes, there is a game section where you use the ball itself as the controller. It is building great necessary skills that will enable her to go far in life. It's fun and doesn't feel like school when she is coding her robot through the path around our house. The kids get great joy watching and helping me create the maze, and it is a huge skill to be able to program that Sphero to run the maze. It's amazing how quickly they learn how to program. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.